Next question is from Animesh Diwan. Post-COVID days, what would be the biggest challenge employees who are fresh out of colleges have to face while looking for employment? So he's talking about the freshers, the situation of freshers post-COVID days. Over to you, Sudarshana.
Kaushik, I think this is the toughest question so far. Because this is a real situation. The good news is that a lot of organizations are honoring their offers made to the younger people, especially people who are just coming out of colleges. But if we say that it's not going to impact, I think that will be wrong. So, and I recall that in 2008 or 9, I think we had a similar, may not be of this scale, but we had a similar situation where campus placements had got affected quite badly. And I do know that a lot of people did have this uncertainty around that time as well as to know whether we'll get placed, what is going to happen, whether the offers are going to be as lucrative. And this time I think the scenario is even more complex. So first of all, A, you're not alone. And B, there are a lot of people who have been there, who have now probably 11 years of work experience. So it may be a good idea to connect with some of your, campus seniors, college seniors, to understand, how did they navigate at that point of time. Also somewhere perhaps, create informal placement committees, because those things really work. Because when you have more people with you, then it is like 3:3:3 principle. One person approaches 3 people, those 3 people approach another 3 people, and another 3 people approach another 3 people. So then you have actually ended up approaching 9 people. So sometimes these networks around this time can really work. But as we see it, because the organizations are conservative about extending employment and offers, it is going to be a bit of a it could be a bit of a struggle. But the good news is that everybody has struggles in their careers, sometime early on, sometime later, sometime in the middle. So maybe, you're facing it early on. So it's good to be hopeful to see that maybe perhaps later in your career, you may not face that much hardship. Also, it's making you much more resilient. It's going to make you more strong. But what more can you do? Just tap into as many networks as possible. Write to people, get onto the platforms like LinkedIn and identify people, write to them. So I remember many years ago, a very, very senior colleague of mine found himself getting the short end of the stick, and he was out of employment. And when I met him after a couple of months to ask him how he was doing, he said, when the chips are down, all you can do is just up your efforts. Just keep amplifying and keep making more and more efforts. And eventually he did find a really good job even at the senior level. So it's hard. And but nothing lasts forever. So whether it's good or bad. So I guess it'll be over soon. Just bear with the situation and be strong and keep trying. There'll be new industries that will come out. If the industries which used to offer employment, if they're not offering as many employments, it means that something new is coming on the way as well. Each time that happens, right? Every time a cycle goes down, something else comes up and the cycle goes up. Yeah. So just prepare yourself. Maybe it's a good time to invest in learning something new.
Absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. So very, very valuable suggestions to you. Animesh?
Just one disclaimer that my responses to the questions will be from the experiences that I've had and whatever little knowledge that I would have gathered and I would have learned through situations that I would have faced. So these are purely based on my personal response, and it doesn't reflect the views of any association, organization, or anyone else. So it's purely mine. So all the big bats this side.
Now, those of you who have missed the interview from the beginning, you can watch the entire interview tomorrow. I will upload it tomorrow on my YouTube channel, Kaushik Majumdar, The Process Pro. Now, viewers, you know the drill. Please go ahead and hit the like and share buttons. And for regular updates, please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. For any comments and suggestions, which are very important for us. And of course, if you have any question for the icons, you can use the comment section.